For sure. What do you need?
I want to borrow a pen.
Where is your pen?
My pen is lost. My pen, Rosa.
Else my pen, Aggie. Can you help me?
Oh, I'm sorry, Rosa. I can't help you. I only have a pen.
Oh, okay, I understand. Does this not Rosa? I think you can buy a Ustad Abdul.
Yes, I want to buy a new one, but I don't have money.
Don't worry, let's go buy one. I will pay for you. Assalamualaikum. Welcome student hari ini.
Waalaikumsalam, Ustazah. I want to buy a pen.
So register is 3,000 rupiah.